So it's supposed to be 5 quarts come out, and we're looking at about 2, 3 maybe, and it's like tarry black. So Michaela, you went a little over. Hey everybody, this is my cousin Michaela's Tiguan. You saw we did the camshaft sensor. So today we're going to do the oil change, and we're going to do it with my OEM Tools evacuation pump, which means we're just going to suck the oil out through the dipstick. So first thing you'll need is your oil, right there, full synthetic 520, and your filter. There's your part number. Now the first thing we're going to do, Michaela, is actually take the filter off, because that way all the oil from the filter will drain into the drain pan. That way we can suck all the old oil out. If it's too tight, I got you a filter wrench. If it's too tight, I got you, oh, it's coming out, okay. This is a Volkswagen filter, so I had not seen one like this. Actually has the threads built in. Still going. Still 3 weeks later.
Wait, let me see the threads on that. Okay, I feel like I've been turning for a really long time.
You're probably just about there.
Okay. Yeah, there it is.
Right now, when you pull it out, turn it over. Ta-da! Give me that. We'll take this, put it in there. Also, one thing to know, since we're going to use the excavation pump to pull this out, drive the car, get it good and warm. That way all the oil's warm and it'll come out easier. So what we're going to do is I've got my air compressor sets 90 psi. Michaela, when you get done, remove your dipstick and set it to the side.
Make sure this is
Nice and tight.
Why does everything European have to be so complicated?
It's the Germans.
All right. I heard it. There we go. Okay.
Pull your dipstick out.
You got a little cloth? No. Okay.
Set it right there.
I'm just looking at it.
Okay.
It doesn't look sludgy.
Then put this in, Michaela, until you feel it hit. Once you feel it hit, stop, because it can like.
Okay. Right there.
Okay. Now, put that hose with this hose. Where my hose at?
Is it like a clamp system?
Nope. Just
Okay.
okay. Now we will apply air like such. You can set that down. Do whatever.
Oh.
Okay. Apply air
To what?
to this fitting right here. It's good.
It ain't long enough.
Right
I
here.
just, oh.
Right there.
Jesus.
No, pull it.
Pull it?
Pull this part back.
Oh.
Okay. It will be loud. No. Pull it. Pull it. Pull that part back.
Okay.
Now put the thing on there, and when it goes on, you'll release it. How does that go? Gotta be firm with it.
This isn't long enough.
We'll pull it out some more. There you go.
Here we go.
Let's try again. Okay, let go. Okay, now let this build up vacuum for just a sec. Okay, flip this switch, and we should start getting
That's so dirty.
oil. Yeah, it's a little rough, Michaela. So now, we'll let this run.
Okay.
That's all we do. Now we wait. So it's supposed to be 5 quarts come out, and we're looking at about 2, 3 maybe, and it's like tarry black. So Michaela, you went a little over. So, but I think that's all it's going to come out, because it's not sucking anymore. So break this loose. Okay, take the
Huh?
Okay, so now we'll break everything down, put the dipstick back in, and we'll put the new oil in. Now we're going to take our oil cap off. Michaela, here's a little trick that I've learned.
Yeah.
If you take your cap
Yeah.
and put it right here,
You don't forget it.
then you can't close the hood without the oil cap that way. So put the funnel in. Oh, yours got that stupid.
I know. I'm gonna have to hold it while I
Hold on.
Oh, we have another one.
I think I may have a skinny funnel that will fit.
Oh no.
This has a guard in it, so
okay.
what we're going to do is put that guy in there. That way it goes in further.
That's what he said.
Wait, hold on. Turn. You know that if you turn it to the side, it won't splash as much, right?
I didn't know that. Oh,
Yep.
because of the. Okay.
Very slow. Yeah. There you go. Now we'll put 5 quarts in.
I'm watching it.
While she's doing that, I'm going to put the other funnel back. I trust you not to spill this while I'm gone.
I won't. Go.
As she dribbles it across the...
Oh, will I?
And she'll put the funnel over there so it can drain.
Over where?
Over here. Just make...
Over here?
Yep.
I'm getting it.
And then put the cap back on.
We got some right here. It's gonna get stinky.
Stanky. Okay, so now we will start the car and make sure there's no leaks.
Will we? My dipstick.
Oh yeah, make sure you put your dipstick back in. Good job, Michaela. It's always good to have somebody double checking you.
Are you ready?
Yep, hit it. What is it?
I can already tell the difference with how it sounds.
Oh yeah. No leaks. The only leak we would have with this would be the filter. No leaks at the filter. So, yay! Just changed our oil. Took what, 15 minutes?
Yeah. Do you want to?
That's the trick. Buy one of these if you have a Volkswagen, especially if it has top mount oil filter. Then you can do everything from up here. So that's it.
It'll just burn off.
We'll just wipe it off.